Okay, this one. What is your answer after you rounding off to the nearest 100? Class, what is your answer after you rounding off to the nearest 100?
Your multiplier.
9?
900.
900 and then
is 500.
500. Very good. 900 times 500 is equals to
450.
450,000. Right. This is the correct way, and this is the correct method how to rounding off for the product. That means don't simply give me the answers. Okay, let's say if you multiply these both numbers, you will get one amount, right? If even you rounding off to the nearest 100, you won't get 450,000. You might get the wrong answer. Okay, how about for the B? 972. How to rounding off it to the nearest 100?
It becomes 1000.
Become 1000. Very good. And then how about 378?
It becomes 400.
400. Okay. So 1000 multiply 400 is equals to
400,000.
400,000. This is your correct answer. This is the only correct answer. Understand? Hey, sorry. Understand or not, class?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, even after the class also you can watch the video, the link that I will upload every time after the class in your Edmodo. So please, I mean, try to see your Edmodo every day. Understand? You know how to watch the YouTube, and don't tell me grade 5 don't know how to watch the YouTube, because I'm uploading the video all in YouTube. Okay, estimate the division by rounding off. Also the same, but I don't know why I receive your answers. I can see your answers. Few of you divide first and then rounding off to the nearest 10. It's wrong. I already mentioned this. I mean, I already guided this so many times, right? Teacher said rounding off to the nearest 10 first. And then one more thing, what I'm really seriously, I'm very angry to my grade 5 students. You know why? Since for question number 5, they already mentioned here nearest 100, right? How you can expecting the same questions for 6? They didn't even read the questions, because you see, they asked for the nearest 10, correct or not? And then you give me the, even though you rounding off first, but you rounding off to the nearest 100. What's the point? You didn't read the instructions, correct or not? Also, your answer is wrong. How to rounding off to the nearest 10? Okay, let's say 837. If you're rounding off to the nearest 10, what is your answer? $840, correct? 34. If you're rounding off to the nearest 10, what is the answer? 34. Correct or not? Is my answer is correct?
28.
No. No.
Your answer is
Wrong.
what's the answer, teacher?
No, yeah. I'm asking the answer that I'm rounding off is wrong or right?
Oh, correct.
Correct lah. Yeah. So what is your answer? 840 divided by t is equals to 28. Very good. So you should get 28. How about here? If you're rounding off to the nearest 10, 7, 9, 0, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this one, of course, yes. You should know 20, right?
20.
Now 790, if you divide it into 20, what is your answer?
It's 39.5.
0.5. Yes, please write the point. Teacher already mentioned this during the revision time. Write the point, 0.5. Who asked you to who asked you to give me the, I mean, rounding off to the whole number? Pandai pandai. Some few of you gave me 40. Why 40? Did our teacher ask you to rounding off the answers again to the whole number, nearest whole number? Did I ask? Did I ask? No. Ayo.
Teacher, but teacher, you did say rounding off each number.
Again?
It said rounding off each number.
No. But I already explained your revision time. Rounding off is only for the questions. It's not for the answers. Understand? Only for this type of questions lah. Understand or not? Okay, this one. Also, I don't want to explain. You should know how to do. Okay, we just finished this one. 7 A, B, C, D, E. Just give me the answer. What is the answer you should get? 2/5 plus 4/15. What is your answer you should get?
10/15.
10/15.
10/15, your answer is wrong. Majority, I won't say a few of you, majority of you didn't simplify the answer. What did I say last time? If you didn't simplify your answer, mark, no, hello. I already mentioned this and I already told this so many times in your classes, during your revision times, and even remember or not, last time we revised again for the fraction.
2/3.
2/3 is your final answer. The students who gave me 10/15 answer is wrong. How many marks will be deducted? Of course, 1 mark for one question. So 1 mark will be deducted even though your working is correct, but your answer is you didn't simplify. So I'll just deduct the mark. Okay. See, this it's a careless mistake, It doesn't mean you don't know how to do. It's a careless mistake, not only for Daniela. Majority of the students, they didn't simplify. But few of you have simplified the answers. That's good to see. Your answer is correct.
Yes,
Okay, how about for question number B? 3/4 plus 5/16. What is the answer? 3/4 plus 5/16. What is the answer?
1/1/16.
Not 1/1/16. 1/16. But my grade 5 students, few of the students, leave the answer in improper fraction. 17/16. So how you can expect me to give the marks? So 0. If you leave the answer in improper fraction, 17/16, teacher said don't leave your answers without simplification and in improper fraction, unless if the question asks you to do so. Like for example, the question asks you to find the improper fraction. That's fine. It's based on the instructions given. But for this kind of questions, I already mentioned so many times, if you leave your answer in improper fraction, I won't give mark. So only 0 for those who leave your answer in improper fraction. Understand? So I can't help for this because I already explained and I'm tired of explaining the same thing again and again during the revision classes. So it doesn't mean you don't know how to do. Right, it's a careless mistake, but it's fine. Few of you gave me the answer in mixed numbers. 1/16. Your answer is correct. So you will get 1 mark. That's why don't just lose your marks because of your careless. How about for C? 5/6 plus 2/3.
It's 9/6. 9/6.
See, wrong. 9 over 6
No,
also
no,
wrong.
wait. This is not the simplified one.
9 over 6 wrong.
Yeah. Is it one over 2?
1 over 2.
One over
Very
two.
good. Okay, let's say you give the answer 9 over 6. Okay, let's say you simplify the 9 over 6. So you should get 3 over 2, right? 3 over
No.
2, right? Okay, if you leave your
No.
answer 3 over 2 also, I won't give the marks. Because your answer is still in improper fraction. You have to convert it into mixed numbers. Correct?
Teacher, my one is 1/3 over 6.
Again?
My one is 1/3 over 6.
Wrong. You still can simplify. Why you didn't simplify? Why? Why? Don't know? Or cannot get the factors to simplify, or how? Okay, the last two questions. Okay, then we can end the call. Who can give me the answer? 5 over 9 minus
2 over 9.
1 over 3. What is the answer?
2 over 9.
2 over 9. Very good. Okay, the last one. 8 over 20,
3 over 20.
minus 1 over 4 is equals to
3 over 20.
3 over 20. Very good. Because this kind of answers you don't have to simplify, right? Nothing to simplify also. So you can leave the answer, but don't just give me the answer. Few of you just give me the answers. Just give me the answer. So that means no working is given, no marks also will be given to the students. Correct or not?